Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to reset a tablet or a Android phone. So you just go to settings and go down all the way on the left to system. Okay, just click on system, and here you have the options to reset or backup. So just click on reset, and here you can do factory reset or just reset only the settings. So I would choose factory reset if you want to delete everything completely and just start over from the beginning. So just click on factory reset and then go down all the way, just click on reset tablet. So then it'll start factory resetting the tablet and you are good to go. So yeah, if you guys found this informative, do subscribe to my channel, also like the video. Thank you.